Rugged smartwatches are everywhere, but few manage to combine true outdoor durability, modern smartwatch intelligence, and premium everyday comfort in one package. The BlackShark GS3 Ultra does exactly that. Engineered for explorers, athletes, and anyone who wants a watch tough enough for the wild, yet smart enough for daily life. It might be one of the most well-rounded adventure wearables in its category. Built for the wild, guided by GPS, designed for the fearless. The GS3 Ultra immediately stands out with its robust build. The 9H Corning Gorilla Glass display brings near diamond-level hardness, resisting scrapes against rocks, gear, or workout equipment. Its reinforced metal frame and mechanical-style buttons give it a rugged aesthetic with easy physical controls, even with gloves on or when wet. It offers shock protection without feeling bulky on the wrist. The BlackShark GS3 Ultra is not just another rugged smartwatch. It's a professional-grade adventure companion with modern smart features and premium visual quality. If you need a smartwatch that thrives outdoors and performs effortlessly in daily life, the GS3 Ultra delivers powerful value in a durable, stylish package.